But here's the deal. We all have a common goal and a common purpose. And in order to get that done and solved, we are going to need to work together.
Excuse me? Repeat that slowly.
Get past it. It is what it is. Now, the last time I gave you some information on the intel, and we went to a location, that didn't go well. The security obviously, overjoyed with getting a little painting job, ran to Masu, and Masu realized something was up. Because, as you know, she never said nobody got it. So, she moved the girls to several different locations. Now, we need to make sure and establish it's 20 girls that gone. And all these girls were supposed to be headed overseas to Martin. But of course, there is no more Martin. So, I've discovered some of the locations, but one in particular where some of these girls are. And that is the operation we are going to be going on tonight.
Tonight? So about prep time?
This is not prep school. Basically what we need to get done has to happen tonight before Masu gets another great idea. So we're literally going in blind. And that's where everybody is going to need to be on their game. Okay?
Savage. You don't think we need to make Tony and try again for reach out to Masu and talk to her? Maybe this time she will open up some more to her.
Bubbles, when I hear from the woman there again, she not even answer my call.
That, Crystal, is because by now she has a feeling we are onto her. And yes, we are onto her. No.
Alright. So I'm going to link the youth them with the van. What time all of this is going to happen?
All you need to know, we're trying for midnight. So you listen out and stand by, and when I call, we're ready to roll. And here are the rules. You, Crystal, you are going to try and gain access to exactly where the girls are by acting like one of the girls under the influence of the drugs that them give them. Now you whisper, because she believes that this location is safer than the one before. It's only like one security, but you're going to have to take him out, get the keys, and give them to Krista. And you, Bubbles, are going to ensure that they get in and out with the girls quick and fast.
And what is your role in all of this, Savage?
Wait, me sit down there and talk Spanish? I've already explained to you exactly what everybody's role is. My role is to ensure that this operation happens, and happens correctly, precisely, and perfectly. That's what my role is.
So you're sitting there just giving out orders? A big, strong man like yourself? You're sending out one male, two females to do a job of this magnitude? Come on now, Savage.
All of a sudden what? You're not up to the job? Your team not good enough? I can do this myself,
I'm sure you can. Okay, Savage. You're the man on the ground. My team and I, we're more than competent. We will get the job done.
You mean, we will get the job done? You know, the we that I tell you I don't work with? Yeah, we.
You said close to midnight, right? And we should be on standby. Is that all, sir?
Yeah. That's all, team. See you later. Again. What is me get myself in a low God?